Did you know that the designer shoe industry is worth a staggering $40 billion worldwide? Yes, you heard it right, 40 billion. That's quite a hefty sum, isn't it? But it's hardly surprising, considering the allure these high-end shoes hold. Over the years, this industry has grown by leaps and bounds, outpacing many others in the fashion world. It's a testament to the demand and desire for these luxury items. People all around the globe are donning these designer shoes, flaunting their unique style and taste. From stilettos to loafers, sneakers to boots, designer shoes have been making quite the statement. And it's not just about the aesthetics, it's about the brand, the quality, the craftsmanship. Every detail matters, but have you ever stopped to think about the journey these shoes take before they find their way to your wardrobe? With such a demand, ever wondered how these designer shoes are produced? Let's unravel the mystery. Creating a pair of designer shoes is an intricate process, blending art and science. The journey from concept to creation is a ballet of precision and passion, each step vital in producing a masterpiece for the feet. Our journey begins with the design phase. Here, the shoe's life begins as an idea, a creative spark that is soon transformed into sketches. Designers meticulously draw out each detail, crafting the form, function, and style of the shoe. They imagine the silhouette, the curves, the lines, intricately planning the shoe's every feature. It's a dance of creativity where imagination meets paper. Next, we step into the realm of material selection. This phase is a testament to the designer's commitment to quality and sustainability. Choices range from exotic leathers sourced responsibly to sustainable fabrics that are both eco-friendly and stylish. The material is not just about the look and feel, it's about the story it tells, the values it represents. We then transition into the cutting and assembly phase. This is where the shoe begins to take shape, where the designer's vision starts to turn into a tangible reality. Each piece is carefully cut to precise measurements, ensuring a perfect fit. Once cut, the pieces are assembled. This process requires skilled craftsmanship, a steady hand, and an eye for detail. It's like piecing together a complex jigsaw puzzle, where each piece plays a crucial role in the final picture. Finally, we arrive at the finishing touches, the stitching and polishing. The stitching not only holds the shoe together, but also adds to its aesthetics. The threads are selected to complement the shoe's design and material. Polishing gives the shoe its final look, adding that last shimmer of elegance. The shoe is buffed to a shine, ready to step into the world. From a simple sketch to the final product, every stage is critical to creating that perfect pair of designer shoes. It's a process that requires patience, skill, and a keen eye for detail. But the result? A pair of shoes that is more than just footwear, it's a work of art. So we've walked through the steps of designer shoe production, but what are the key points to remember? Let's jog our memory. The creation of designer shoes is an intricate dance, choreographed with precision and a keen eye for detail. Each step is vital, contributing to the final product that graces the shop windows and ultimately your feet. First off, we have the design phase. This is where the magic begins. It's a meeting of creativity and practicality where the shoe's aesthetic meets its function. The designer sketches out their vision, taking into account the latest trends, the target audience, and the brand's unique style. It's not just about creating a pretty shoe, it's about crafting footwear that captures the essence of the wearer. Next up is material selection. A designer shoe isn't just any shoe, it's made from the finest materials, carefully selected for their quality, durability, and visual appeal. Leather, suede, silk. The choice of material can transform a design from ordinary to extraordinary. It's the careful selection of these materials that set designer shoes apart from the rest. Then, we move on to cutting and assembly. This is where the shoe begins to take shape. The materials are meticulously cut and pieced together, forming the skeleton of the shoe. It's a process that requires precision and skill, ensuring each shoe is a perfect representation of the designer's vision. Finally, the finishing touches. This is what breathes life into the shoe. Polishing, painting, stitching, these final steps add the sparkle that makes the shoe stand out. They enhance the shoe's aesthetic while also reinforcing its functionality. The production of designer shoes is a journey, a meticulous process that transforms a simple idea into a tangible, wearable piece of art. Each stage plays a crucial role, contributing to the shoe's final aesthetic and function. Next time you slip on a pair of designer shoes, remember the meticulous process that went into creating them. It's not just footwear, it's a work of art.